Anisha. I'm from VC Media. Today we are at Ahar Exhibition 2025, which is held at the Delhi Bharat Mandapam. Today we have Mr. Kushal sir. Hello.
Hi.
He's presenting his brand named GM Foods.
Yeah, the GM Foods, it's the Godhan Masala Foods. It stands for as GM Foods. So this is the fourth generation which is looking after this business, and the brand formed in 2011. So there has been no looking back since then. And the product range that we have, it's caters to around 6 different categories. Processed food, mixed flours. We have spices. We have millets flours range. We have spices along with. So the beginning happened with the spices, as the name suggests, Godhan Masala. And over the time, customer feedbacks, market trends, that is something which has helped us out to grow and from one category to next 5 to 6 categories more.
Okay.
So this is the entire background that the company has.
Okay. So you are first time at Ahar presenting your brand.
No, this is probably 6th or 7th time that we are coming at Ahar, and this is one platform we really look forward to every year. And every experience at this exhibition has been great until now. So year on year, we have grown along with Ahar.
Okay.
That is all.
So there's a multiple people who are presenting the same things, right? बस ये बात है कि आप लोग का competitors बहुत सारे.
Yeah, of course.
So what is the main marketing strategy and one thing you are presenting the different?
See, the main thing that differs us from any other of our competitors or any other brand is the quality that we are using in our products. Because the most of the product range that we have, that has been developed right in the heart of the world's biggest market, Chandni Chowk. So जो लोगों का फीडबैक है उस मार्केट में रहने वाले लोगों के अपग्रेडेशंस हैं या उनके थॉट प्रोसेसेस हैं, कीपिंग इन माइंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दैट इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट्स हैव बीन डेवलप्ड. सो द प्रोडक्ट हैज बीन नॉट डेवलप्ड ओनली दैट इन वन इंस्टेंस. वंस है उसको फीडबैक्स लिया, टेस्ट करा, सैम्पलिंग करा, यू कैन सी दैट स्टाफ ऑफ द कंपनी इज बिजी सैम्पलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग.
Of crowd, yeah.
Yeah, crowd will see because people
Yeah.
they come and taste the products, and accordingly फिर जब उसको taste करते हैं तो they give their feedbacks. So some of
Please show us the most selling product.
yeah, these are some of our the top moving products.
Yeah.
One of it is poha, and coming up is the मूंग तवा चीला, जिसे आप बेसन का चीला taste करते हैं. This is similar to that. We have मिस्सी रोटी आटा.
Hi.
अब आपको मार्केट से ऑर्डर करने के लिए you can prepare it right at your home.
Yeah.
This is something
Ready
which
to
is
eat something like.
Yeah, it's kind of you can you have that flour in your hand, and जैसे घर में अपना आटा normally तैयार करते हैं, this is in the same format. Add water into it, dough करिए and prepare it.
Okay.
So as per the industry pattern, this is the trend which is going to be in future.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to VC Media for covering us.
Thank you.
Thanks.